Welcome. If you've been waiting to get those little notification dots or app icon badges on your Gmail app for request to join notifications, you're in the right place. These badges are super handy because they let you see at a glance when you have pending requests without even opening the app. Today, I'll walk you through how to turn on these app icon badges specifically for Gmail's request to join notifications, with the latest steps to make sure nothing is missed. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is the gear-shaped icon you usually find on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. This section controls all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list of apps and find Gmail. Tap on Gmail to open its specific settings. Here you'll see options related to this app only. The next step is to tap on Notifications. This is where all email alerts and other notification types for Gmail are managed. Inside Notifications, look for the option called Notification Categories. Tapping here will show you different types of notifications Gmail can send, categorized for better control. Scroll until you find the category labeled Request to Join and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. In the Request to Join notification settings, you should see the toggle for app icon badges. Simply switch this toggle on. This allows your phone's interface to show a little badge over the Gmail icon whenever there's a request to join notification waiting for you. That's it. You've successfully enabled app icon badges for Gmail's request to join notifications. Now, whenever someone sends a request, you'll notice that little badge on the Gmail app icon, giving you a quick and clear reminder to check it out. It makes staying on top of your requests so much easier. If you ever want to turn this off or customize other notification badges, just follow the same path back through your settings. Thanks for watching.